life and direct. So my people, share up. Anybody that come and attack us from Biafra land, anybody at all, when you say attack us, you don't finish. Even when Abel, let me tell you one secret. Abel, of all people in the Bible, Abel, that people are praising Abel. Even when Abel was killed by his brother Cain, his blood still speak. His blood goes talk. His blood not keep silent. Because if his blood keeps silent, it means say he accept the killing when brother kill him. I repeat, maybe you don't understand. Now let me come to the spiritual dimension of IPOB. See, Abel of all people, Abel, you know Abel, Abi? Now, when Abel was killed by Cain, his brother, the blood of Abel cried out to God. It was an announcement. Hey, Cain kill me, oh God! Cain kill me! And God told Cain, he said, Cain, he said the blood of your brother, they disturb me. Most as you must say on social media now. Abel go, they come online every day, they burn the data. They cry, they give God. Now can't kill me, oh. Hey, God is people. IPOB. One family. Now can't kill me, oh. You go, they burn data, they go. Now can't kill me, oh. Some set of people come say, I beg you to the talk. Must you talk? So Allah can be, forget can matter. No! Abel said no. He said, God, you must avenge my blood. You must wait. If I punish Cain, I beg. Now they are accusing us. They have killed millions of Biafrans, IPOB all over the world, and somebody from our own blood will be coming to betray us. You say we should just leave them because they be God, Abi. Because they be God, we just leave them. May they go like that. Our blood will also cry. It's the blood, see the blood of those that have killed in this Biafra struggle. Now all those blood of those people, their blood don't possess us. That because they talk like this. As they don't get mad, they talk physically, eh? They don't possess us, we don't they talk physically. You don't know. If you kill one Biafran, let me tell you one secret. Before I round up, if you kill one Biafran, one IPOB member, that guy blood will give birth to 1,000 Biafrans. I repeat. If you kill one righteous man that is fighting a just cause, if you kill one righteous man that is fighting for freedom, if you kill one IPOB member, if you kill one person like this, that blood, if that blood falls to the ground, the blood will give birth to 1,000 agitators, 1,000 hardcore Biafrans. Maybe some of you don't know this thing. They should keep killing. Why is it that the more they kill us, the more we expand? The more millions join us on daily basis. Why? It's because the blood of those that have been killed, their blood has given birth to thousands of agitators. That is the law. That is the spiritual law. And that is why even Yahushua and Messiah had to die. When he died, you see that the gospel spread all over the world. That is spiritual law for you. That is spiritual principle. So the more they kill us, the more the blood of our people give birth to people like us, to people like Efe Wanogo, Uwasofia, Idudu Isoko, Lise Donald, name them, Samuel Ekpa. This, hey God, we are the blood of those that we, hey God, we are the blood of those Biafrans that they killed in those days. We don't recarnate, we don't reinforce. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. So let us join hands together. You think that our leader is not a man, Abi? You think that our leader is not a man? Let me tell you one secret. Because he has the nature of man in him. Because the Adamic nature in him speaks sometimes. Do you know that there are some words that this betrayer will be saying from Biafra land, from Oduduwa, from the north, from all over the world. Sometimes the West do affect him in a way because he's a man, he's a human, you know. So, but when you see Biafrans coming out to say never, our leader is number one, we are following him. We have courage and say, yes, I have my people, they are with me. That's how it just be. When people accuse you on daily basis and your followers, they are coming to, you know, to attack them back. It gives you the leader, the boldness to say, yes, my people, they are with me. Not that when somebody say a word concerning our leader, you say, let's they are distraction, allow you all join. Now all join for now they make us the strong more. Everything join. We must see. You will never ever say anything. Anybody that will come online and say, Una can this, your own don't finish. Your own don't finish. As I prepare burial ceremony for Kemi Olunloye, your own don't finish. Your own don't finish. If you try, you are attacking somebody that is saving me. You are attacking somebody that want to save me from Fulani slavery. You attack the person. You are gone. You are gone. Not just trying yourself. Not trying. So my people, we must continue. We must continue. Let's get ourselves together. If you are weak in this Biafra struggle before, revive yourself, because you know why? Freedom is here. Freedom is here. Our leader used to tell us that if you work hard, that Biafra will come this year. You don't understand. What is about to happen, maybe you don't understand. Even in the spiritual world, if you don't check them before, go check them again. You will confirm her. Even demons are saying that, please, just let them go. Just let them go. They are wala too much. Demons are agitating and they even want us to go. Demons want Biafra to go. So don't get weak. Have you ever asked yourself, why is it that the attack on IPOB is very high this period? Why? It's because when Pharaoh Ramesses II, when God was about to free the Israelites from the slavery and the shackle of Egypt, their attack increased. See, try and follow spiritual timetable. Biafra is a spiritual timetable. When the time has come for God to free the Israelites from bondage, from the bondage of Pharaoh Ramesses, the labor of the Israelites increased. The attack on them increased. That they make bricks without straw. That they go and fetch their own water without fetching buckets. That they sew their clothes without sewing machine and tailor. Because the time of their redemption is near. The attack increased. So, people like Dathan, because Dathan has level then, he connected with his own people in the land of Egypt. Dathan was also a prime minister to the Israelites in the land of Egypt. Dathan, he said, don't follow Moses, oh, don't follow Moses. Moses, they feel saying, I know everything past. Moses, they want force supreme over us, so you don't know. Dathan said, Moses won't force supreme over us. Because as at that time, Aaron was calling Moses my Lord. So you don't know. Aaron was calling Moses my Lord. So to Dathan and to his group, this is an abomination for you to come and my Savior and my Lord. Hey, Dathan said, I die with these people. In fact, Israel must not go. Israel must remain here, because if Dathan did not fight Israel, Dathan will lose his job as a prime minister, he will lose his position. Una dey follow me? Dathan go lose his prime minister when Pharaoh take give him. So in our done for Israelite for that land of Egypt. So telling Dathan to let Israel, to support Israel, to let Israel go and to support Moses is like you are telling Dathan that just die. Because the wife of Dathan will advise Dathan, please don't follow Moses. His family will advise him, please don't follow Moses. You know we have back and cat in Egypt, we have back and cat in Mesopotamia, we have back and cat in Lebanon. So if we follow Moses now, everything go change. Oh, everything go change. We go lose our position. Oh. So Dathan attacked Moses a lot, just to make sure the Israelites did not get their freedom. So that is what is happening in Biafra today. We have a lot of Dathan in Biafra land. We have a lot of Dathan in Biafra land. We have see the Dathan, they're too many. They have back account in Switzerland, in New York, in Brazil, all over the world. So for Nnamdi Kanu to come and say, Biafra will come, hey, you don't kill them. They will never accept it. It will take the mighty hand of God to liberate us. And God has come down to hear the cry of the millions of souls that died. God don't answer our prayer. I say, now me say God don't answer our prayers. Just clap for Elohim. Hey God. Shukuokike ala putala mobiko. Shukuokike anamekemeki makabiafra. Shukuokike anyike yeki otito. Shukuokike afuruke naya. Hey God. God has answered our prayer. Our cry has risen up to Elohim, and he has come down to fight for Biafrans, just like the way he did in the times of old, when he stood for the Israelites to free them. So my people, remember that the closer our freedom, the higher the attack. The closer our freedom, the higher the attack. The attack now is on the high side. So, remember our leader said, who am I? Who is my leader self? So that I not go be like say, a man not call that person. His Royal Majesty King Nnamdi Kanu. Remember our leader said, he said, if you work hard, Biafra will come this year. If they give you a spiritual and physical, and they give you a spoon, if you work hard, it means that the closer, the nearer Biafra freedom, higher the attack from families, from brothers, from relatives, from the world, from enemies, from friends. The people betray. You see people coming to tell you, no, we are for Niger Delta. We are for Niger Delta. Hey, we are not for Biafra, we are for Niger Delta. Just know that redemption is near. When you see these signs, when you start seeing them, saying that we are Niger Delta, we are Niger